Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Belif. Happy birthday to you. Avon is celebrating 1 year of this fabulous skincare line as a part of the Avon family. And in honor of that birthday, we have this special limited edition of the Aqua Balm and Moisturizing Balm Cream. Look at this packaging. It has the happy birthday on it. You got the candles that just flip up and you just open it like this. And voila, you have the jumbo size. That's right, it's a jumbo size cream. A great birthday gift. Belif is the #1 selling moisturizer in Korea, and K-Beauty is at the top of the game when it comes to innovation and research and development. And the Belif products give you that dewy, glossy look, but it's lightweight and it doesn't make your face feel like it's got a bunch of sticky stuff all over it. Personally, I use the jelly cleanser every morning when I take my shower. I love the way it just wakes up my skin. And then I follow up with the Aqua Balm or the moisturizing on a no makeup day. So I used that product every day and I just love it. And I love what it does for my skin. So happy birthday, Belif.
Hello and welcome to a series of spotlight videos where we give you the inside scoop on Avon's beauty products. VDL has done it again with a blush stick that glides easily onto both cheeks and lips. Introducing the VDL Creamy Stick Jelly, a multi-use blush stick with a creamy jelly soft texture. It creates a natural looking flush of color that lasts all day. This is an exciting makeup trend that is sure to be a game changer for your existing makeup routine. The VDL Creamy Stick Jelly provides cheeks with a radiant and nourished finish. Rather than just expressing color, it adds a healthy looking glow that gives more depth to the face with the light contouring your facial features. Going above and beyond your average blush, the Creamy Stick Jelly is formulated with nourishing shea butter and VDL's signature blend of skin-loving ingredients featuring 8 antioxidant-rich plant extracts that help to protect skin. The VDL Creamy Stick Jelly is available in 4 different shades that offer buildable coverage and a natural dewy glow finish: Floege, Rose Flake, Riding Hood, and Gretel. Each shade is infused with a blend of berry extracts that creates a vivid natural color tint while working as a skin conditioning agent, helping with the appearance of dry skin and restoring suppleness. The strawberry, raspberry, and blueberry extracts work together to bring your skin vitamin C and antioxidant effects. This versatile blush is a winning choice for any type of occasion as its color is buildable. You can go from a light flush for every day to a more dramatic look for evenings out. For a natural look, swipe the creamy stick onto a sponge and dab onto cheeks. For more color, dab the blush onto your fingers and apply the blush onto your cheeks using your fingertips. To add the color to your lips, use the Creamy Stick Jelly as you would a lip balm and apply it directly onto your lips. A fun pro tip to keep in mind: warm the product on your hand first for an even easier application. Enjoy this incredible makeup product that gives you a natural flush of color while helping to keep your skin healthy. And remember to make life beautiful with Avon.